Can you bring hairstyle inspiration photos to your salon appointment? Yes, bringing inspiration photos helps communicate your vision clearly to your stylist. Visual references eliminate confusion and ensure you and your stylist are on the same page about your desired look. Your stylist will assess whether the hairstyle suits your face shape, hair texture, and maintenance routine. It's important to bring multiple angles of the style so your stylist can see the full shape and structure. If your hair type differs from the model in the photo, your stylist may suggest modifications to achieve a similar look. Be open to professional advice. Some styles require specific hair lengths, density, or texture to look their best. Hairstyle inspiration helps stylists customize the cut, color, or styling technique to flatter you. Your stylist may also explain the maintenance and styling effort required for your chosen look. Showing past hairstyles you've liked or disliked can provide additional guidance. Avoid using heavily filtered or edited images, as they may not accurately represent achievable results. Bringing photos ensures a smoother consultation and helps you leave the salon feeling confident and satisfied. With clear communication and expert guidance, you can achieve a personalized look that suits you perfectly.